What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video I'm going to answer the question I was recently asked: what type of trader are you? Stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So I recently got an email asking me what type of trader am I, and there was multiple different questions in there, but I'm just going to go off what kind of trader am I. I just wanted to address this in case anybody didn't really know what type of trader I am. I'm basically a technical trader that trades momentum stocks and breakout patterns. I only trade a numerous handful of patterns I stick to, and anything else I don't usually trade. That's what I have success in, so I keep doing so. I do tend to take a couple of swing trades, but again, it's not my 100%. I don't have a huge success rate in swing trades, so that's why I take very little of. The game is about sticking to what you're good at and making money in what works for you and just repeating it. If you're trying something that doesn't work for you, just stop trying it and try something else. It's just about lasting and surviving in the stock market is how you're going to learn initially at the start. So by you lasting and trying all these different patterns, eventually you'll find a style that works for you and then stick to it. If you're going in all guns blazing and taking huge loss at the start, the stock market's going to wipe you out very quickly and you won't have time to experiment in what works for you guys. So this is really important. It is about surviving and keeping your head down initially at the start, and then until you find what style works for you, then you will be successful. Going back to what I said is I do trade only a handful of patterns that work for me. It did take me a long time to kind of find these and narrow down on this, and it took multiple courses to find out what style of trader that suits me. So that's why I stick to it. I don't usually intend to trade, jump in and kind of guessing where a pullback is and buy it and hope it goes up. I notice a lot of traders, some of them are doing that and they have good success in them. One of them being like Patrick Wyland, for example. He has huge success lately and he's not taking any red days, so credit to him. But if you were to ask me, does he have a generic style in trading? I wouldn't say so, other than he's a short bias trader. But his long style, I've noticed, he's basically just kind of guessing where the pullback is, jumping in. If he's wrong, he's kind of averaging down. And then he's mostly right most of the time, so it's working for him, so I can't knock his style. But I'm saying if you are a beginner, just be careful of doing that style of trading, averaging down as it goes down, because you can be wiped out of your account very quickly. So that is really to answer the kind of question, what type of trader I am. I am a technical trader and a breakout patterns, and I trade momentum stocks. Guys, if you have any questions or you want me to make certain videos on certain topics you're finding hard, or any questions in trading, put them in the comments below. I'm going to be happy to take some requests on for you guys and make videos dedicated to you guys on maybe what you're struggling with in the stock market. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education. And I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link, guys. I hope you all enjoy.